Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see about a type group object in data dictionary. So very first, let us see agenda. So we are going to see what is a type group and steps to create a type group. So a type group allows to define data types directly in the ABAP dictionary instead of defining them in an ABAP program. So the name of a type group in ABAP dictionary must have a maximum length of 5 characters, and in every data type, a name defined in a type group must begin with the name of a type group followed by the underscore sign. So and also this defines the type groups can be used in ABAP program with the help of a type pool statements. So now let us see what are the steps to create a type group. So very first, by going to the initial screen of ABAP dictionary, select the type group radio button and enter the type group name and provide the short description and save all the details. Thereafter, we need to provide a code in a maintenance screen of a provided type group. Here, the code will start from type pool Z group. Z group is a name of a type group, and thereafter type is Z group underscore name and provide the data type size and type as a C, which is in character. Thereafter Z group underscore age 15, type I, provide a size and I as an integer. This way we can define our type group, and to implement our type group we need to create two types of data types. One which is already we have declared, which is a Z group, which can be used in ABAP program like report Z test. We have created this Z test and then type pool Z group. To implement or to call the type group, we need this type pool Z group. Then thereafter provide a data with the name. This is a variable name with a type Z group underscore name, age type Z group underscore age. So this is how we can create a type pool in a data dictionary. In the next lecture, we are going to see about a domain.